Want to lose weight and keep eating? For you. What?
In my financial situation.
What you got?
Little sip on, little sip, take a little sip.
It is March, okay? I'm wearing green because we're gonna get our green on right now. Green is not my favorite color, but it is for the month of March. I also got my green eyeshadow on. I am wearing my glasses today. Just came back from Disney World and I had a great time. I'm gonna bring that Disney spirit here to San Diego. Snake Alley. It is one of the cocktails that I had there and it's very green. A little bit sweet, but not too sweet, you know? When I went, I remember that she just kind of freely poured everything with these spouts. So I was watching her, obviously. They do have a banana rum here that I really like. Our shaker with ice. We're gonna do 2 ounces of this. I strictly remember her using a pretty good amount of alcohol, which is awesome. And I'm actually in the mood for a drink right now, so I'm gonna put 2 ounces, okay? Then we're gonna grab our Midori. You can also use, again, a cheaper Melon Liqueur. Midori stands for melon in Japanese. I know she put less Melon Liqueur than rum, so I'm gonna just go ahead and wing it and do, I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces, okay? So I did 1 ounce, and here's 1/2. Perfect. Use the sweet and sour. Now, I'm gonna just, again, wing it and just kind of pour as much as I want in there. 1 ounce of this, I think that'll be good. Yeah, let's do 1 ounce of this, sweet and sour. This is just a light sweet and sour, okay? I think it's just gonna give it like a tart flavor, but again, the melon liqueur and the banana kind of mellow it out. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Make sure you shake your pineapple juice. I just bought this, so excuse me. Usually I wouldn't pour this, I would just go straight in the tin. She did not shake it. She just kind of poured it all in. But obviously for the sake of this video, I'm gonna shake it. It kind of looks like that. It's got like a nice frothy consistency. And I'm just gonna pour it in. Okay. As far as ounces, that's pretty good. So here's the drink. Okay, it's a nice green color, just like we wanted. It's beautiful. We're gonna try it. Spot on. Not only is it like not too strong, but yes, it is sweet, but it's got a really nice flavor in there. Midori is really high quality. It doesn't matter what quality you're drinking, because if you get a cheap quality, that's how you get a really bad hangover. This is just the quality, and I'm actually gonna make more cocktails that have this in it. So cheers, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like the video. I hope everybody gets lucky, okay? I'm feeling pretty lucky right now with my cocktail. You guys, so freaking good. So yeah, thank you again.